We gotta stiffen up the rear suspension on the FC. And we also got some of this action. Some new mirrors we're gonna test fit today. I don't know if they're for an FC or an 8.6, but I think it's the same shit. So we'll find out pretty soon, man.
No doubt, man.
Let's get her going, eh, buddy?
No doubt, man.
Right on.
Oh, we gotta tell it. Remember last time we did this though?
Yeah, but that was we had so many pieces of wood. That's how I know.
Inwards and outwards, eh, buddy? Alrighty then. Okay, so pretty much what we just did is we like tighten the preload up a little bit. It sits a little bit higher now, but it needs to be stiffer because whenever we do a pull, the back end of the car kind of squats down a little bit, and like there's so much tire on the fender, so
That's straight tire shine, man.
yeah. That doesn't look bad though, it looks fine, and it'll feel better too, so. I wonder if that's the person looking at the suit. I'm just gonna tighten the...
Maybe more fired.
Shut the fuck up. I'm gonna tighten the other collar so it stays like that. And then we'll measure it and then we'll match it on the other side, and then hopefully it doesn't look like fuck.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
That's fine.
Oh wait, dude. When your shit's not seized, man?
That's surprising.
Fuck off.
Get a job! Driving through our fucking studio, man.
Alright, that's like one finger length.
One finger? Which finger?
And pointer finger, man.
Pointer finger.
Fires in like tight on the knuckies, man.
Okay.
Good enough for measurement?
Yeah, no doubt. Just make sure you use the same hand, man. Because you know Jesus ain't made them all the same.
Barely looks like fuck at all. Pass me the wheel, man. Need new brakes, man. I have pads at Ben's house, but...
Buy rotors too.
Aren't rotors like expensive?
No.
How much are they?
Like probably $20 for like...
You know one thing you're terrible at?
What?
Doing that.
Doing what?
Putting wheels on.
I'm bad at that?
It takes you so fucking long.
Yeah, I can never line the shit up, man.
Oh.
Man, you need to do little restorations on these long champs, especially the rears. The rears look so much dustier than the fronts.
Yeah, the rears need some JB Weld action too, right here.
They need a good wet sand.
That's fine.
Who's calling you, man? Back into it, buddy. Yeah, you're tightening it, man. How fucking dense. Every time. You're tightening something. Every time, man, without fail. Honestly, good on you for the consistency.
Yeah, I know, right?
You're giving me shit about taking a minute to put on the wheels and you tighten every time you're trying to loosen? The fucking nerve of people. Fucking nerve, man.
Dude, Ben like torqued these down last time. Jesus.
Put your back into it, man. Pull that bitch off, man. What's with all these people, man? Get a job. Get a job. Okay, so you're just gonna tighten the preload on the side of it?
Yeah.
Okay, I probably won't film that. There's all these mother cuckers driving straight through the goddamn studio. Alright, man.
This one's a little bit more crunched than the other side.
A little more crunchy organic peanut butter?
Yeah, a little more crispy, man.
That ain't good. What?
It's fine. It doesn't talk as much, but like, I don't care. I'm over it, man.
This bitch is a goddamn monster truck now, man. Man!
No, it's not.
Get a job, man.
It looks fine.
Looks like you're about to jump 20 school buses, man. Stiffer than a dong, eh?
That's pretty stiff, man. Look at this guy, man.
I got a fish, buddy. Check this out.
Why are you on this road?
Keaton lives right there.
Oh, you speared it?
Yeah.
Did you eat it?
Yeah, I just had fish tacos.
Oh, nicely done.
Should we insert that clip if he sends it to us?
Yeah. Dude, I have no idea which one's which. I feel like this is the right. Yeah, it's gotta be this one.
You gonna test fit these hoes or what?
Yeah, I don't know if they're the... Dude, I feel like... No, that's definitely that side, eh?
Yeah, that is.
Okay, well...
Take those garbage bag hose off.
I'll let the holes line up.
Yeah, you probably have to drill new ones. It fits. But you'd have to drill new holes, I think.
Oh, hang on, buddy.
You think so?
Alright, that's how it would be rigging. The holes aren't lining up, but I think that looks pretty sick. I think we send it, man. Get the 3M tape going.
Why don't we just drill a hole? Just drill the hole, man.
But then how are we threading it?
Through that hole. No, if we drill the hole... Let me take over this operation.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, like through here? Drill?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to find my dad's drill bit, though.
We got the Colgate Total here with a pube on it. We'll line this up with the threads and see where we need to drill.
Make sure you get it situated real nice before you stick it down here.
Yeah, no doubt. No, man, that's way too much. Okay. Okay.
Nice, man.
Okay, well, there's one.
No, there's two.
Yeah. Should we try again?
Good enough.
Okay.
We can just drill them a little bigger than they need to be.
Yeah.
Alright, man.
Where's the bit, man? Pilot hole going in.
Don't fuck up, man.
What do you think? Right there?
Okay, stock mirrors will cover this all up anyways if we fuck up, so.
All the toothpaste is working as lube, man. I have safety glasses in case this bit blows, but
It's alright. Dude, I think this will already fit through, won't it? Come on, we're rigging now, eh, buddy?
no fucking doubt, man. Oh, she's fucking slipping.
Good enough, eh?
Yeah, no doubt. That's a
See if she lines up, man. That almost looks OEM, man. Alright, let's mount it and we'll check back in. Man, your fucking hole better line up.
Probably won't.
Where even is the hole? Hang on.
Okay, let me do this shit.
Hang on. God
What
damn it,
the
man.
fuck are you doing, man?
Lining it up.
There you go. He's having troubles lining it up. That's alright. All been there. You have a screwdriver?
Yeah, I do. How's our hole alignment look?
Looks good.
I'm pretty sure one will hold it on fine, dude.
And some 3M tape.
Yeah, some double-sided tape and some one bolt. Fucking good enough, eh?
No doubt.
Yeah, man, that's Jiminy rigged on there.
How's the stiffetures?
Better than stock, man.
Holy fuck, it's almost like it took a Viagra, man. You want to film that?
Yeah.
That looks pretty good, man. Looks like a Batmobile mirror.
Man, it looks real nice, man.
Looks like a Batmobile
From the
mirror,
front,
man.
dude, that looks real nice. That was sick as fuck, dude.
It actually looks like the mirror from Batmobile, man.
Turns out we put them on upside down. Hey? Fuck, man.
No, that's the right way.
No, that looks sick.
You're making a joke.
Haha.
Very funny, Noah.
Yeah, like 3M tape. Hang on. Like 3M tape, like right here, so it's not janky danky.
Yeah,
that one's fine.
I'll do it on both.
Yeah.
I have 3M tape in my house.
What do you think the visibility's like with these mirrors?
Oh shit, no doubt.
They don't work at all, eh? Here, take this. I'm gonna get it inside. I can't see shit.
Well, you can adjust them somehow.
Needs to go the other way.
This way or that way?
Other way, like towards me.
I don't want to I really don't want to break this mirror though, because I love drilling holes in Noah's car. Because it's not my car, so I can drill holes in it.
Alright, boys.
Here's a little side-by-side comparison of OEM on the driver's side and got the...
Holy shit. Did you get it, man?
I think I might have. Look at the damage on the Gatorade.
Holy shit. Yeah, side by side. I think, yeah, these ones look so much better. So we're gonna do the driver's side now, and then we'll check back in a sec. Blasting the driver's side now.
No doubt, man.
Do some more drilling, man.
I love drilling holes in your car.
Yeah, these mirrors are set up for a right-hand drive car right now, so you can't see fuck out of them, but that's alright.
We should adjust it before we put it on.
Yeah. It's mainly the passenger side one that matters. I don't really ever check the driver's side one.
Might as well still adjust it though.
Yeah.
What's with these millennials, man? Fuck them. What generation are we, man?
I think we're millennials too, right? Or is that 2000? I have no idea. I don't fucking know, man.
What's that song? It's like, well, I'm a 90s bitch. I don't care. I love it. You know that song?
Yeah, man.
I'm a
Is it
90s
off,
bitch, man.
Give it a rip.
We
Give it a little tug, man. They're kind of snug on there.
We'll give them a rub and tug. Edward style. Oh, this one's... What? Oh, there we go. What is this power going to? Because your mirrors aren't power adjustable, are they?
No, they are.
Oh, they are.
Not anymore, they aren't.
Fuck them. Alright, this bullshit's off. Look at that nice mirror guard, though. There's one of these left. We're gonna put it on the store. Probably be sold by the time you look at this.
Yeah, no doubt, eh?
Okay, this one.
Alright, get the toothpaste, man.
No, we need to take this shit off.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, we can just pull the glass off and pull those two bolts right out.
Yeah. Wait, I can... Give me the screwdriver?
Yeah.
One down, one to go. Wow.
It's getting cold, man.
It's kind of brisk, man. I feel like we're gonna... I feel like we're gonna... Fucking God's gonna piss on us soon. Think there's any really religious people that watch our videos, man?
Probably not.
I hope not.
Wait, do you wanna... I'll sit in it and you can adjust it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Get in, man. It's fucking raining, man. Had to put the hoods up. Not ideal. Alright. Let's see what kind of hangulation we got now. This side's different because there's studs on it.
It's gonna be like impossible to line that up. Dude, why don't we just take the studs out?
No, this is pretty good.
Alright, fucking drill it, man.
You only have to drill one, the other one goes through.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Where's the drill bit we're using for the pilot?
On the roof, I think.
Kevin's just fact, man. What are you looking at, bitch? You're gonna have to go all the way through both sides.
No, I see the hole you're looking for.
No, it's not gonna line up with that.
Oh, it's coming through, man. There you go. Just round it out a bit. How's it going out there, man?
Pretty good, man. The rain's letting up. I got my hoods on. I got my ears out so I can still hear and be alert. I'm drilling holes in your car.
Last hole, hey?
Shit doesn't fit, man.
I think I just need some jiggling.
Need some Yankee doodling. Love working.
It's the wrong tool or no tool, hey buddy?
This is where we don't work in cars at your house, man.
Yeah, no doubt. Once they're loose, they should just fire off there, right?
Yeah, that one's loose. I want to break this vintage JDM fiberglass work.
True, hey?
Alright, this is gonna be a bit of an operation to noodle this through.
Dude, you think this will make the car faster, man?
Is that even a question? These like bolts that these other bolts are maxing out.
Clearance issues, eh?
Having some clearance issues. Yeah.
Alright, man.
Is it filming?
It's going.
Alright guys, we're on the iPhone because the camera's dick. Dude, that's so fucking bright.
It's alright, man.
It's fucking raining outside, kind of some bullshit. We got the mirrors on. We'll get a skinematic of them in another
Next video.
But yeah, there's some super dank JDM. Look like goddamn Batmobile mirrors, man. Comment down below if we should repaint them black, but like nicely done.
Or paint match them.
Paint match them.
Looks real nice, man.
Yeah, they're pretty JDM as fuck. Dude, this is terrible. Why did we wait so long, man?
Right, outro it.
Okay, there you have it, the sick mirrors. We'll have a skinematic in another video. Comment if we should paint match them or if we should keep them black. Also comment your favorite fast food burger. No, fuck that. Shut up, man. Comment your favorite color of Skittle. Unless it's some of that tropical bullshit, then we don't want to hear it. But yeah, comment, like, subscribe. I can't see shit, man. Fuck off, man. Stay tuned for more videos. We have one on the 180 coming very soon. I don't know what you want me to say, man.
I think that's good.
That's it. Buy a t-shirt. Buy some air fresheners. Link in the description. They're the best air fresheners on the market. They smell amazing. That's all there is to say about that.
Nice, man.
Yeah, man.
See you in the next one, man.
Yes, skidoo!